Okay, this is my MG4 vehicle to load. It's got a screen, it's a bit hard to read. It's 0 watts at the moment. I've got my coffee machine plugged in. I'll just turn it on. Coffee pod's in. Now it's using 1200 watts basically, starting up. The water has to get hot first. Dolce Gusto Nescafe. It's a good little machine for on the job. It's sparky when you're working, it's weighty. You can't be going off to have a coffee all the time. So that's the coffee done. Then you put the cappuccino milk in. Usually I set that about there. Start again. You can smell the coffee, it smells pretty good. $1280 watts, about 1,300 watts coming out of the car. That's my power point. Over the back of the car, and there's the coffee. $12.70, $12.80. All done. How handy is that? And it has a switch on the top here. We can choose between 3 different brands. M is MG. My lights have just gone out. I'll unplug it. Movement sensor. Now it does have 15 amp written on the top of it there, and it's a wide pin, so it is designed for 15 amps maximum. And the car tells you how much charge you've got. That's 75%. But yeah, voila, one coffee. Thanks MG.